Question number 23. A figure is given to us which is kind of two triangles. This is triangle 1 and this is second triangle. And I can see that it's given this angle is equal to this angle because both are 8 degrees. And if I try to apply the properties of what, intersecting lines, because these two lines are intersecting lines, then this angle will be equal to this angle. How? These are vertical angles. Okay, figure decoded. Not drawn up to scale, that's okay. In the shown figure, YZ and XY intersect at Q. YQ is 21. Okay, YQ is 21. This one is 70. This one is 60. This one is 120. And we have to find out YZ. This way to find. Okay. Now, first I have to find it which method I have to use, right? Because angle W is equal to angle Y, right? So angle W is equal to angle Y and angle Q is equal to angle Q. Angle Q is equal to angle Q. So now I can apply the AA similarity issue. And how to write it? Suppose I am writing first triangle here and second triangle here, right? So W of this and Y of this, both should be at the first place. Q of this and Q of this, both should be at the second place. Now third one is X for the first triangle and C for the second triangle, and these are similar to each other. Half of the work is done. Now when two triangles are similar, their ratios are equal. How? First 2 over first 2. WQ over YQ is equal to QX over QZ. QX over QZ is equal to WX over YZ. Right? Now we have written the ratios. Let's check what is given. So WQ is 70 over YQ is 21 is equal to, I have to find YZ. So this is not used, right? So I can just delete it from the middle because only, this side and this side is needed and we can solve this. WX is 60 and we have to solve for YC. Okay. Now let's solve for YZ. First of all, multiplying by YZ on both sides. And this can be done in, the mental. Okay, this can be done orally, but okay, I'm just doing it the whole thing because what if you are starting your practice? So YZ is cancelled. Now if I cancel this, 7 tens is 70 and 7 threes are 21. Okay, so 10 by 3 YZ is equal to 63. Let's multiply by reciprocal on both sides because we need to get rid of this 10 by 3 and we need YZ. So is equal to 6 times 3, which is 18. So A is the right option. Okay.